There's a lot of hype around Playwright's features, but is it the right tool for you? If you're not sure whether to pick Selenium or Playwright for your test automation, here are 5 essential things you need to know that can make or break your decision. Let's dive in. First, keep in mind that if your project requires testing against branded browsers like Apple's Safari and Firefox, you may need to reconsider. Playwright explicitly states on their website that it uses WebKit instead of actual branded Safari and Firefox, so the browser behavior may not be identical. Selenium, on the other hand, supports these branded versions directly. So if true cross-browser compatibility testing is a must for your project, discuss this limitation with your team before choosing Playwright. Next, a big advantage of Playwright is its built-in code gen tool. If you think locating elements or writing selectors is tedious, Playwright Code Gen has you covered. With Code Gen, you just interact with your web page, and Playwright automatically generates easy-to-use selectors and code snippets. You can also use accessibility-first locators through explicit contracts like role and other attributes, making it easier to maintain locators. This feature can significantly speed up test development compared to traditional Selenium IDE locator strategies. Another powerful aspect of Playwright is how it seamlessly integrates UI and API testing within one framework. You can click any element from the user interface that triggers an API request and immediately validate the server response, all in one workflow. Playwright simplifies this integration, making end-to-end testing straightforward and more efficient than what Selenium inherently offers. Unless you create your own custom methods with Selenium, flakiness can quickly become frustrating due to synchronization issues like waiting explicitly for elements. Playwright reduces this problem with built-in intelligent auto-waiting. Playwright waits automatically for elements to load, making your tests more reliable and maintainable. Finally, Playwright simplifies testing responsive web applications by offering device and viewport emulation. With a few lines of code, you can simulate how your app behaves on multiple devices and screen sizes. You can achieve it by launching tests using separate browsing contexts, allowing isolated sessions for each test. Unlike Selenium, where managing viewport settings and browser contexts can be cumbersome, Playwright provides predefined device profiles and straightforward context management, making it easier and faster to test your UI across various devices and screen resolutions. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that many of Playwright's standout features like parallel test execution and network intercepts can also be achieved in Selenium today with JUnit 5 integration and the new WebDriver BiDi support. For example, JUnit 5 integration offers a parallel test runner that lets you start tests across thread-safe processes just as Playwright would do. Selenium now supports the BiDi protocol, so you can listen to console logs, intercept and mock network requests, and emulate network conditions without any extra libraries. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, press the like button and stay tuned for more automation tips.